So today we had the GLAM program, which is Girls Leading Advanced Manufacturing. And really it's about getting girls interested in STEMs and in engineering and manufacturing, and getting them to understand that there's so many opportunities out there for girls, which is typically not what you see.
It's really important to have women in manufacturing and STEM. Having that balanced workforce really opens up paths and ideas and collaborations that can occur to push the product or the business further.
I kind of knew going into this that I had an interest in engineering and STEM and stuff. It's kind of opened up a whole new path of different careers and expertises and things I could do in the future.
I think it was really fun. It was really informative. It was interesting because I got to learn about different things that I didn't think I would be interested in, but now I got to talk to people and understand their careers. That's helpful in deciding how I want to plot my own trajectory.
So what we like doing with our GLAM visitors is really give them a little bit of exposure to the business. We then love giving them a tour of the factory, actually see things, see what engineers do with their day and the different opportunities and projects that's out there. And I think that's when you make the connection between what was said and what is practical. And it makes you make those connections as to what you would love to do.
When the girls arrived, we inducted them with a bit of company background and information. From there, we went to do a tour of our nursery where we propagate and grow our little olive trees, working through to the manufacturing area where we showed our bottling line, where we store our olive oil, leading all the way through to our laboratory that we have here on site, where the girls tasted some olive oil and saw our laboratory and all the different tests that they do in there.
It was a really fun day. I liked all the tours we got to do, and today was really interactive. It was really interesting to see all of these people in their workplace. I really liked the air radiators part where we got to see and play around with all of the stuff. I thought that was really interesting. I think it's a really cool program, and I like that there's all of these opportunities, especially for girls in STEM and everything.
I think it's important, especially this specific STEM kind of programs, because a lot of girls aren't into STEM just because of society's views, and so it teaches us we can do things. Girls in STEM is something I think more people should talk about.
Particularly being that age group of year 9 to 11s, a lot of people, especially me in my years, weren't sure what path to go down. So really giving them exposure to where manufacturing can take them and the areas that they can go down.
We're living in an era where ingenuity is the key. We're breaking the mold and finding better ways. This GLAM program, I think, is great for that, is to see there is an opportunity out there to use my love of science, maths, problem solving, and actually do something with it other than the traditional careers that they would have considered.